नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं आपका हिंदी अध्यापक और एक नए टॉपिक के साथ जिसका नाम है अलंकार। नाउ दिस अलंकार इन इंग्लिश व्हाट इज देयर? फिगर ऑफ स्पीच। यू माइट हैव स्टडीड इन इंग्लिश। अलंकार मीन्स व्हाट? Figure of speech in English. So what is mean by alankar? These ladies are there, those who are wearing these ornaments or applying makeup, or the males are there, those who are wearing this kangan. What is this? Hand kangan will be there, no? Something is called there. Okay. So for what purpose we are wearing? For looking handsome and beautiful. Correct. So likewise, when we are writing poem, when we are writing, or when the poet is writing poem there, so he is using the same alankar in his poem. So for what purpose? When he will use alankar in the poem, what will happen there? It will be very beautiful. It will be very beautiful. So its meaning and the words will attract to us. So how we are expressing or showing after wearing these good dresses and all the ornaments like this, when the poet is writing a poem, that time what he is doing there? He is using alankar, the figure of speech there. This topic will be asked for this board exam for 3 marks. For 3 marks this exam, these questions will be asked there. So how will be the questions? Sometimes example will be given there, sometimes example will given there, and you have to identify the figure of speech. Identify the figure of speech, which one it is. Sometime what will happen there? They will say there, give example of anupras alankar, alliteration. Give example of alliteration. So like these questions will be there. So let us see there now for 3 marks. So alankar, we saw there, alankar is nothing but how the ladies are wearing ornaments and everything for looking beautiful, even the male also. Like that, when the poet is writing poems, that time he is using figure of speech for making so attractive the poem. काव्यांश को सुंदर बनाने के लिए वह किसका इस्तेमाल करता है? अलंकार का इस्तेमाल करता है। अब अलंकार के मेन 2 प्रकार है। अलंकार के मेन 2 प्रकार है। एक है शब्द, एक है शब्द और दूसरा है अर्थ। दूसरा है अर्थ। शब्द बोले तो क्या? वर्ड। शब्द मीन्स व्हाट? वर्ड। एंड अर्थ मीन्स व्हाट? मीनिंग्स। करेक्ट। सो in shabda, alankar you can add it there. Alankar you can add it there. So what will become there? Shabda lankar. Shabda plus alankar. Here shabda means a sound is there, and here a plus a. So this shabda is same, a ki matra, I kept it here, shabda lankar. So same way here also, artha lankar is there, artha plus alankar. What will be there? Artha lankar. So अलंकार जो है 2 तरीके से हमें अट्रैक्ट करते हैं कविता में। मेजरली 2 टाइप्स ऑफ मेन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आर देयर। एक शब्दालंकार है और दूसरा अर्थालंकार है। तो इसमें क्या होता है? शब्दालंकार में शब्दों से हमें क्या मिलता है? काव्य में सुंदरता मिलती है। शब्दों से हमें काव्य में सुंदरता मिलती है। इसमें वर्ण और शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। लेटर्स एंड वर्ड्स विल बी यूज्ड हियर फॉर मेकिंग इट मोर अट्रैक्टिव, एंड हियर व्हाट विल बी देयर? द मीनिंग विल अट्रैक्ट टू अस टुवर्ड्स द पोम देयर। ओके, सो लेट अस सी देयर। सो मेजरली 2 figure of speech are there here, shabdalankar or arthalankar. First we will see the types of shabdalankar. Correct? So first one is there, anupras alankar. Anupras alankar, in English it is called alliteration. In English it is called alliteration. So what is happening there? In this figure of speech, in this figure of speech, the letters are there. Letters k, kh, g, these all vyanjans are there now. If same letters will be repeated in the line of poem, same letters. For example, Vimal वाणी ने विना ली। Vimal, Vani ne, Vina li. Here Vimal, V is there, Va is there, and V is there. This Va, Barakhadi is there, Va, Va, V. So see there, here one time, second, third time, the same letter repeated in this example. When the same letter, Varna ki avriti means what? Repetition of letters. Varna ki avriti means what? Repetition of letters. When in the example, the same letter will repeat there. So what will happen there? Here, verb, from verb V is there, from verb here Va is there, and from verb V is there. Correct? So, Vimal, Vani, Veena, Li. So, this V, Va, V, repeated letters are there. That's why what will be there? Anupras Alankar will be there. So, you keep it in mind there, this trick, when in the sentence or in the poem line, when the same type of letter, V or K, whatever letter it is, if it is repeated there more than 2 times, so what will happen there? That, what figure of speech? Anupras Alankar will be there, or in English, alliteration will be there. Okay. So another example also I have here. Kalindi, Cool, Kandam, Ki, Door. Here also you can see there, here K is there, here also K is there, here also K is there, and here also K is there. So a letter repeated more than 2 times. So here 3-4 times are there. That's why it is, what is this? Anupras Alankar or alliteration Alankar is there. The trick, what is there? The letter repeating here. Okay. The second one from the Shabda Alankar is there, Yamak Alankar. Yamak Alankar, in English it is homonym is there. Homonym. So here what is happening there? One word is repeating twice. One word is repeating twice, and that both words has different meaning. That both words has different meaning. Then that time what will be there? This Yamak Alankar or homonym figure of speech will be there. For example, you can see there, here I have written here, ek shabd do bar do artha, means different artha meaning will be there. Now here you see Kali Ghata. Kali Ghata ka Ghamand Ghata. Ghata also shabda is there. Here Ghata also shabda, because we are seeing here shabda Lankar. Correct? So Kali Ghata ka Ghamand Ghata. Here this first Ghata is there. Na Kali Ghata means Kale Badal, black clouds. Yesterday it was rained there. Correct? So you might have seen in the sky the black clouds were appeared there before the rain. So what is it called? Kali Ghata. What black clouds you have seen there in the sky, that is called Kali Ghata. Ghata means what here? Kale Badal. And here Ghamand Ghata. Ghamand means what? Proud. Kam hona. Here what is there? Ghata means kam hona. Ghamand Ghata, the proud decreased. Okay. So see, same word is there, but meaning is different. Same word is there. Here also Ghata is there, means here Kale Badal, black cloud, and here what is there? Ghata means kam hona, decreasing the proud. Here Ghamand is there, Ghamand means proud. So it's simple there, just you keep it in mind, the tricks there. Here what is there? The repetition of letters, and here what is there? 2 words will be there in the poem line, and what will be there? The 2 words has different meaning. So what will be there? That is called Yamak Alankar or homonym. We have another example also here. Teen bear khati thi. Teen bear khati thi. Wah teen bear khati thi. Here also teen bear is there, and here also teen bear is there. Teen means what? 3. Here teen bear means 3 bar, 3 times. Here what is there? This meaning, teen bear means 3 times, and here 3 bear. Bear is one type of fruit there. हम लोग बेर खाते हैं ना, पेड़ से रास्ते पर बेचते हैं, देखो वो एक जाली होती है, उसमें ग्रीन कलर small fruits will be there like this. In जाली they will give. It is bear. हिंदी में उसको क्या कहते हैं? बेर. जैसे when Lord Rama went to Panchvati, that time one old lady gave him bear. Okay, so that is bear, one type of fruit. So here you see there three bear, तीन बेर खाती थी वह, तीन बेर खाती थी. Here तीन बेर means three times, and here what is there? तीन बेर means तीन बेर के फल, थ्री फ्रूट्स. ओके, बेर फ्रूट का नाम है, फल का नाम है. सो लाइक दिस शब्दालंकार के दो प्रकार हमें एग्जाम में पूछे जाएंगे. इसमें क्या होगा? शब्दों का प्रयोग होगा और शब्दों से ही क्या होगा? हमें कविता की तरफ आकर्षित किया जाएगा. सो लेट अस सी देयर अर्थालंकार. Here what is there? Arth means meaning. By the meaning, the poet wanted to attract us. Okay. So अर्थालंकार, जिसमें अर्थों में बदलाव होकर क्या होगा? अलंकार होगा, तब क्या है? अर्थालंकार कहा जाता है. The types of अर्थालंकार you see here. First one is there उपमा अलंकार. In English what is there? Simile. In English simile is there. So how can you identify? There is a trick there. Here you see there upa means samit, close. Upa means what? Samit, close. And ma means what? Mapan, measurement. Okay, so here comparison is there. In this simile alankar what is there? Comparison is there. Vastu ya prani ki tulna. We are doing comparison between animal or things. So that time what will be there? Upama alankar will be there. Then how to identify? If you will see these words, which one? Sa, see, say, some, saris. If in the sentence these words given there, so what will happen there? This will be upama alankar. What? Sa, see, say, some, saris. If among this any word will be there in that sentence, so what will be there? Upama alankar will be there. For example, here samay sila sa. Here you see there sa. Sa is there. Here sa is there. So any one letter will be there from this in the sentence. Samay sila sa jam gaya. Time frozen like a stone. Sila means what? Patthar. Ke saman. Comparison is there now. The time and silasa. The time is frozen like stone. Means it's not moving here and there. In one place only it is there. So what is there? From this sa, si, say, some and saris, if any word will be there in the example, so that time what will be there? Upama, alankar or simile figure of speech will be there. Okay. Then another one is there. We have here rupak alankar. In English it is metaphor. Metaphor. Rupak alankar. So how to identify this figure of speech? You see there. Here this mark is there. It is hyphen. In English what is there? Hyphen. And Hindi we can say there yojak chinna. Yojak chinna. The two words will be joined with that, like mata pita, bhai bahan, raat din. So if like these words are there, so what will happen there? Rupak alankar will be there. You can see here charan hyphen kamal. The word joined with hyphen. Mata pita, dada dadi, raat din. These words joined with hyphen. योजक चिन्ह जब रहेगा वाक्य में, एग्जाम्पल में, तो क्या होगा? रूपक अलंकार होगा. दिस विल बी metaphor figure of speech. Charan kamal. In this example, what the poet is going to say is charan kamal. This kamal means what? Lotus. And charan means what? Feet. So feet are looking like a lotus flower. Our feet are looking like a लोटस फ्लावर. बदो हरी राई, यानी लॉर्ड कृष्णा के जो पैर है वो कैसे दिखाई दे रहे हैं? कमल की तरह दिखाई दे रहे हैं. When in the sentence, in the poem line, hyphen will be given there or two words will be joined with hyphen, that time what will be there? Rupak alankar will be there. Okay. Then next we have अतिशयोक्ति अलंकार, अतिशयोक्ति अलंकार. In English it is illustration. It is in English illustration. अति means what? ज्यादा. हम लोग बोलते हैं कभी कभी we are saying that you are doing too much. बहुत अति कर रहा है, इसका परिणाम तुझे भुगतना पड़ेगा. You are doing too much. You see what will happen? We'll say no like this. So अति means what? बहुत ज्यादा, बहुत ज्यादा. अतिशयोक्ति अलंकार illustration. ज्यादा या बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना, ज्यादा या बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना मीन्स यू हैव ए लिटिल थिंग ओनली बट यू विल एक्सपैंड इट लाइक एनीथिंग. करेक्ट. यू आर रिच देयर. इफ वन कार इज देयर यू विल से अरे माय फादर हैज वन कार, मदर हैज वन कार, इवन आई हैव वन कार. बिकॉज टू whom you are explaining, that person don't know there how many cars you have. Correct. So about your family prestige you are expanding yourself. Correct. बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना. Nothing is there but you are expressing too much. So we can see here example. हनुमान की पूंछ में लगन न पाई आग. In Ramayana this incident is there. When Sita was abducted by Ravana, that time what happened there? Ram sent Hanumana to see mother Sita. So हनुमान की पूंछ में लगन न पाई आग. यहां पर अतिशयोक्ति देखो. हनुमान की पूंछ जो है, द टेल ऑफ हनुमान, इट डिडंट गेट फायर, इट डिडंट गेट फायर बट लंका सारी जल गई, गए निशाचर भाग. यहां पर सीधे इसके पूंछ में आग लगने से पहले, विदाउट गेटिंग फायर ऑफ द टेल ऑफ हनुमान, इट इज सेड हियर the Lanka, the kingdom of Ravana, burnt and all the demons run away. All the demons run away. But actually see there, the fire didn't get to his tail. Without fire, how Lanka will burn there? Correct? So example see there, यहाँ पर आग लगने से पहले ही पूरी लंका जल गई और ये जो निशाचर डेमॉन्स जो है पूरे भाग गए, ऐसे यहाँ पर बताया है. वहां पर हुआ कुछ नहीं. अरे आग ही नहीं लगी इसके हनुमान जी के पूंछ में, तो निशाचर कहां से भागेंगे और रावणा की लंका में आग कहां से लगेगी. तो ये बड़ा चढ़ाकर, कौन कवि हमें बता रहा है कि इसको बड़ा चढ़ाकर बता रहा है. आग तो लगी नहीं, मगर ये बोल रहे कि लंका पूरी जल गई और क्या हो गए, पूरे निशाचर भाग गए. अगेन वी हैव वन लास्ट वन. आई विल राइट हियर, देयर इज नो प्लेस. मानवीकरण. फ्रॉम हियर ओनली, फ्रॉम अर्थालंकार, फोर्थ वन इज देयर. मानवीकरण, मानवीकरण. मेघ आए बन ठनके, बन ठनके संवर के, संवर के. एंड अनदर वन इज देयर. आए महंत, आए महंत बसंत. Okay, so let us see this. Okay, in English, this Manvikaran Alankar is there. It is called personification. It is called personification. Okay, Manav, here you see there. Manav means what? Human. Manav means what? Human. And Karan means what? जैसे. यानी निर्जीव वस्तु को, this non-living things are there. If the poet is describing like a alive person, if the poet is describing the non-living things like a living thing, so what will happen there? This figure of speech will be there. Personification. For example, see there, मेघ आए बन ठन के सवर के. बन ठनना means what? लाली पाउडर लगाना, कुछ तो भी सुंदर दिखने के लिए. we are applying powder and everything, decorating, correct or not? So, but here what is there? Megh, clouds. Clouds came there, they applied powder, here something, see, मानव जैसे यहाँ पर, जैसे हम लोग पाउडर लाली कॉम करते हैं, है कि नहीं, बाल बनाते हैं, वैसे यहाँ पर कौन आ गए हैं? मेघ आ गए हैं, बादल आ गए हैं। ऐसे कौन बता रहे हैं? कवि बता रहे हैं। मेघ आए बंठन के सवर के। तो मेघ क्या है? नॉन लिविंग थिंग है। क्लाउड क्या है? नॉन लिविंग थिंग है। मगर कवि यहाँ पर हियर व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग देयर, द क्लाउड्स केम, they applied powder and everything, means with good condition they came there. The clouds are looking so handsome or beautiful here. So Megh is non-living thing, but the poet described here like a alive person. Another example also is there here. Aaye mahant basant. Mahant means what? Pujari. मंदिर में पूजा करता है ना, saint is there, or pujari early in the morning who is doing puja there. So mahant, aaye mahant basant. Basant means what? Ritu, one season is there, spring season, basant, correct? So this mahant came like a spring season. Mahant came like a spring season here. So see here, this basant is there, no, this is non-living thing. Basant is there, non-living thing, but this basant came like a महंत, पंडित के जैसा ये बसंत क्या हो गया? सडनली, अचानक कहाँ आ गए हैं। यानी बसंत ऋतु को, ये जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, इसको कवि ने क्या किया है? जैसे महंत जाता है पूजा करने के लिए ही, वैसे ही वसंत ऋतु क्या हो गया है? आ गया है। ऐसे जीवित व्यक्ति की तरह यहाँ पर उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन किया गया है। तो और एक बार मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन करता हूं। अलंकार व्हाट इज देयर? फिगर ऑफ स्पीच देयर। हाउ वी आर डेकोरेटिंग आवरसेल्व्स लाइक दैट, द पोएट व्हेन दे आर राइटिंग द पोएम्स देयर, दैट टाइम they are using figure of speech. Anupras, what is there? Where in the sentence letters will be repeated. Here see there, we, va, we is there, letters will be repeated. Here second was there, yamak alankar. Yamak alankar was here. Yamak alankar. Here what will be there? Homonyms. The words will be repeated there, and both words have different meaning. काली घटा का घमंड घटा. Example what is there? काली घटा का घमंड घटा. काली घटा means black cloud, and घमंड घटा means what? The proud decrease. Two same word came there, correct? But the meaning has different. Okay? So here we have the another one, अर्थालंकार. इसके भी पार्ट देखिए. Here also parts are there four. That is one is उपमा अलंकार, simile. In this what will be there? वस्तु या प्राणी की तुलना होगी. द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन थिंग्स एंड एनिमल्स. एंड द सिम्टम्स व्हाट इज देयर? हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई? सा, सी, से, सम, सरिस. लाइक दिस, एनी ऑफ दिस वर्ड विल बी देयर इन द सेंटेंस. एनी ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स विल बी देयर इन द सेंटेंस देयर. लाइक दिस, समय शिला सा. सा केम देयर फ्रॉम दिस. सो व्हाट इज इट? इज उपमा अलंकार. रूपक अलंकार व्हाट विल बी देयर? hyphen will be there, योजक चिन्ह will be there in the sentence. Okay? अतिशयोक्ति, अति means what? ज्यादा, बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना. Saying too much, nothing is there at home but they are telling too much there. राई का पहाड़ बनाना, इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल क्या है? राई बोला तो क्या है? छोटा सा कॉटन की सीड है, और उसको हम, ये इतनी सी होती है, बिल्कुल राई की सीड इतनी बड़ी ही होती है, और हम उसको क्या करते हैं? पहाड़ बनाकर, like a mountain we are expressing it. So that example what is there? अतिशयोक्ति अलंकार is there. Example, हनुमान की पूंछ में लगन न पाई आग, लंका सारी जल गई, गए निशाकर भाग. हनुमान की पूंछ में आग नहीं लगी और लंका पूरी जल गई, ऐसे बताया है. और वहां के जो राक्षस है, डेमॉन्स है, वो पूरे क्या हो गए हैं? भाग गए हैं. The last one is here, मानवीकरण, personification. In this what will be there? How we human beings are doing, expressing emotions and everything. Like this, the poet will show the non-living things also doing like us. Megh aaye banthan ke, cloud came there, but how we are applying powder and coming there, going for functions. Like that, this cloud also came here. I Mahant Basant. Basant Ritu came. स्प्रिंग सीजन केम देयर, बट हाउ महंत के जैसा. महंत क्या है? एक जीवित आदमी है, मंदिर का पुजारी है. उसके जैसे ही कौन आ गया है? बसंत ऋतु आ गया है. आई होप दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर listening carefully.